Yes, and someone took us from the terminal in the van and dropped us
yeah,
off.
there was this guy looking for
And we'll go back in the van after we drop the car off.
I know that.
This is someplace to turn.
No, there's a gate.
Yes, it is.
It's a gate.
I don't care if it's a gate. I don't care.
Jack Hart Hacker Helicopters.
An interesting sightseeing trip it is.
No, it's not. It's a big waste. It's not a waste of time though, because it has to be done. You make a mistake, it costs you a lot of time. You have to go. It takes a long time to get back to where I was when I make a mistake because of the traffic. Wasting all the gas too. It has to be done. Okay, so if there's a big line in the left lane, I make a right turn and make a U-turn like I did today. As I go straight. Make a tough turn at the light. And then stay to the right instead of going left. So right at the line.
Back to the construction. I put
Instead of turning, going straight at that little fork, you go where it
Can't
says
go
car
straight to a
road.
fork. Yeah, when you come to a fork in the road, take it. You have to go left or right. I
Oh.
went left. Should have gone right.